Well, hello there and welcome back. Now look, I know it's been a while, and by wild, I mean 60 days, but hey, we're not talking about that. Besides, I know your focuses are on my nails. It's given Halloween, yeah, Halloween vibes, but you know, we started late, so let's just get on with the video. Alrighty y'all, to start off we're using clear food wrap. If I can get it off. Okay. Well, after so many struggles, it has managed to break free. Now I'm gonna just wrap it around her. I fell in love with this dress on Pinterest and I knew we just had to recreate this look. So I'm just wrapping the tape all around the doll. After that's complete, we can sketch out the design. If you want it to be easier to erase off, I prefer using a pencil, but I'm just using a pen. Now I want darts to be there, so I'm going to draw a line on each side of the chest. Now we can cut it. Guys, I know Halloween has passed. October month is gone. I've been so caught up in my work, in my night shift and stuff, so I haven't had much time to be filming. But nonetheless to say, I will be going back to my normal schedules. And look, if y'all have any ideas, I am all ears. Just leave them down in the comments below. Alrighty, so we're done making the pattern for the top. Here's the back piece and the front piece. Alright, we're making a full circle skirt, so I'm making each mark on the waist. This is where the waist would be. And as you can see, I'm doing it in the corner of the cardboard. The height of the skirt I really wanted above the knees, so I'm going to make it 3.5 inches. While keeping the tip of the ruler on the waistline, I'm just going to go make dots all around, making sure I stay on the 3.5 inch mark. Just make sure you rotate the ruler slightly. Now I can trace on the dots. This is just like a game of connect the dots. You remember that on your coloring books? We're done with our skirt pattern. Onto the sleeves, I'm making a mark because I want it hanging off the shoulder. So I'm making a mark, then I'm going to do where the wrist is. Then I'm going to make it bigger. I want the sleeves to be a bit puffy, so I'm going to flare out the bottom. We have all our patterns right here. Now we can trace that onto fabric, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a full circle skirt. So flip it on the other side and trace it. Now this is everything for the top. And here is the skirt. It's a full circle skirt, as you can see. we need to start piecing it together. Alright, so we're going to start on the top first. And I'm going to do the darts. I'm going to fold it. Then I'm going to sew along the line. And here's how it looks. And here's how it looks from the outside. So we're going to add the top to the wider part of the skirt. And we're just going to sew along the line. Adding the smaller skirt to the back half. Now, I want to add a little detail, so I'm going to cut the middle. And then cut in the corners of the strap. Then I'm going to glue the front down. Attach the sleeve to the front and back. Ironing the sleeve flat. I decided to go with the zigzag stitch on the folded half of the sleeve. I've added a loose straight stitch at the bottom of the zigzag. For the ruffles, I'm pulling the thread. Not pulling it enough so I can pull it out, but just pulling it so the fabric can bunch. I think that looks pretty good. We can close it off, sewing from the skirt to the sleeve. Flip it inside out. Now I want to work on these straps. I'm using a straight stitch from my sewing machine. Alrighty, we need to hem the bottom of the skirt. I'm folding it slightly. Then I'm going to use my iron. Now I'm using a straight stitch. I prefer you sew the Velcro on, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gluing it on. And oop. Girl, nah. We're just gonna move on because you know what? It didn't happen. I didn't see it, you didn't see it. It didn't happen. So the neck of the dress has like a little buckle, but we don't have that, so you know, we're gonna work with what we got. I added Velcro to the back. Okay, I'm impressed with this dress. I think it really turned out cute. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and for the next video, we'll be doing a chest and a leg harness. So stay tuned for that, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!